just something about a British vehicle that makes you feel that you could go out and conquer the world, and such is the case with the 2018 Land Rover Discovery. But I know that a lot of you are just interested in conquering the mall parking lot, so let's get out and drive it on the pavement and on the dirt and see how she do. The Land Rover Discovery was all new for 2017, replacing the LR4 model, and it's only been a year, so pretty much nothing has changed. It's still powered by the ubiquitous 3-liter supercharged engine, which is putting out 340 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque. That's mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, and I have to say, I love this power plant. I mean, this car weighs over 4,800 pounds, and I have never wanted for any kind of acceleration whatsoever. The transmission shifts really smoothly. There are paddle shifters, but I haven't really been using them. And when you get it out in the twisties, I mean, it behaves surprisingly well. Sure, there's a little bit of body roll to get that mass from one side to the other, but all in all, it's really surprising. And of course, if you want a little bit more performance, there is a sport mode, but honestly, this is one of the few cars that I've actually been satisfied just driving around in normal mode. Power goes down to a full-time 4-wheel drive system with the torque split 50-50 from front to rear, although the computer can change that as it sees fit. But you've got that combined with a heavy mass, which means that you're gonna suffer a little bit at the pump. Actually, you're gonna suffer a lot of it. This guy is rated for 16 miles per gallon in the city, 21 on the highway, and 18 combined, but during my time, I've only seen about 14. Ooh, that's not a lot. And most of you folks are probably going to be using this Land Rover more as daycare than off-road disco, and there is a lot to be said for that. This is a really good daily driver or even a road trip car. First of all, there's a ton of storage cubbies. I really like this one right here in the dash. It's great for your wallet or your phone. And there is a total of 88 cubic feet of space all told. And you can flip those rear seats down in a couple of different ways, either through the InTouch system, you can do it from the luggage compartment, or even from the rear doors. But when it comes to luxury, I am a sucker for seats for the 1%. This Discovery is rocking a $2,225 optional package that gives you a heated third row, heated and cooled seats in the first and second rows, plus there's a massage function for the driver and passenger. The motor for the massage is, well, it's pretty loud, but who cares? That means that when you're gonna be off-roading, you're gonna be doing it in luxury. So let's do my favorite thing and go get this disco dirty. All right, I'm finally in my happy place, the off-road park. The Discovery has got an air suspension system that can lift it up 3 inches, so I've got 11 inches of ground clearance. Plus I've got a final approach, breakover, and departure angles of 29.5, 25.5, and 28 respectively. Now, those aren't Jeep Wrangler Rubicon numbers, but that's okay because Jeep Wrangler Rubicon also does not have cooled front seats with a massage function. I mean, I am super comfy, man. This Land Rover has also got the terrain response system. So I've got options for gravel, grass, and snow, mud and ruts, sand, as well as rock crawling. Now, that will change the parameters of the transmission, the throttle, the traction control to give you the best ride across whatever option you've chosen. And there's also a 2-speed transfer case. So basically, this thing is pretty capable. I mean, it's not King of the Hammers capable, but it's gonna be able to get anywhere that you probably want to go. But I will say that the first thing I would do if I had this vehicle, I would swap out those wheels and tires, man, because this guy's got the optional 21-inch wheels on some just really non-aggressive all-terrain rubber. I mean, it's just not ideal for off-roading. So I've lowered my tire pressures a bit. That's about all I can do. And I'm gonna take it on the ultimate off-road test here at the off-road park, Truck Hill. Okay, so this has gotten a lot steeper since the last time I was here, so I'm just gonna go to the left, keep my foot in it, and hope this terrain response responds. Here we go. Ready? Come on, girl. girl. Come on, you got it, 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 you got it. You got it. Oh my gosh, it's doing it. It's doing it. It's going, go, go, go. Go, go, go. Come on, come on, come on. You still got it. 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 Oh, shit. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay. Okay. So we got stuck. I tried putting it in 4-wheel drive low and rock crawl mode, but nothing could overcome those inappropriate tires. I even tried using my MaxTrex recovery devices, but to no avail. I need a tow. And the Disco had that hill. A 27-degree slope is well within her capabilities, but those all-season street tires were having none of it. So we sat for an hour and a half waiting for recovery. But hey, at least we got to enjoy the cooled and massaging seats.
Hello.
The 2018 Land Rover Discovery in the HSE luxury trim starts at about $65,500. But this guy here, with all of the bells and whistles like adaptive cruise control and the Terrain Response 2 system, well, that brings the price up to about $82,700. I mean, yeah, that is a big price to pay, but check it out. I got a super cool tailgate too.